here. Thank you so much for joining me, and good morning from Bali. Just want to do a short flow just to help wake up the body. And yeah, we'll start with having a little bit of gratitude. So take a seat. That's a perfect way to start and end the day, is by being thankful. So take a moment, close your eyes down. And often whenever we think about gratitude, it's actually like a buzzword now. So I think we say it a lot, but we don't really feel it. So instead of just being like, oh, I'm really grateful for this because. So really take a moment to settle in with that. And really feel it in your body. What does that thankfulness, that gratitude feel like? Where does it land? Breathe it in big, inhale. Inside out. Beautiful. Child's pose, let's start there. Child's pose, bring the arms out long. And we'll begin by coming up onto the fingertips and walk your fingers over towards the left side. Pick up the belly to move it over the thigh. We're going to move the spine a lot today. So inhale, lift up, and exhale, wave down. Yes. Inhale, kind of tuck the chin, lift from the back of the heart. So it's this wave. Exhale, the heart comes down first, the head last. Tuck the chin to the chest. Inhale up. And exhale down, yes. And we walk fingertip over fingertip to the right side. Pick up the belly to move it over the thigh. Stay on the fingertips, and then this wave. Inhale. So it's kind of these mini spinal waves. Once more, inhale. And exhale, yes. Coming back to center. And the same thing as we come up here, we're going to do the spinal wave from tabletop to child's pose. So child's pose, tuck the chin to the chest, round the back, puff up the back of the heart. Inhale, wave forward, and then exhale, arch as you come back. Yeah. Inhale, puff up the back of the heart, round as you come forward. And exhale, arch as you come back. Twice more like this. Make this feel good. Really press the ground away. Exhale. Once more. Yes. Beautiful. This time come forward, tuck the toes. We're going to come into an a floating cobra. So we're going to tuck the toes, straighten the legs. Cobra pose. The knees can stay down as well, either way. We'll keep the toes tucked. Roll the shoulders back. And then downward facing dog. Beautiful. Pick up the heels. Take the heels over towards the right and bend the knees. So staying right here, maybe slowly opening the left arm. Reach towards the fingers. And exhale back to center. Inhale to the toes. Exhale, send the heels to the left, bending in, maybe slowly lifting the right hand. And downward facing dog. Let's walk the hands back to the feet this time. Ragdoll. Hang. Shake. Wiggle, sway, anything that feels good here. Slowly roll all the way up to standing. Take a couple rounds of breath to get there. Inhale, lift the arms up, rolling all the way back down. And we walk the hands back towards the top of the mat. Downward facing dog. Inhale, wave forward, plank pose. Exhale, bend the knees, arch the back, wave back. Twice more like this. Inhale, wave forward, plank pose. Bend the knees, arch the back, wave back. These waves feel good. Again, inhale, wave forward. And exhale, wave back. This time we're going to wave forward. We'll come into that floating cobra again. Wave forward. So this time we'll bring the belly down and unwind the heart. You can bring the knees down here if you'd like. Roll the shoulders back. And then exhale wherever you are. Downward facing dog. Beautiful. Inhale, the right leg lifts. Bend the knee, open the hip. Say good morning. Open, couple circles. And exhale, step through in between the thumbs. Bend the back, bring the back knee down, and we'll straighten the front leg. Yes. Maybe take the foot and move it up a little bit. Sometimes I need to do that. I'll get a better stretch to see how that feels for you. Flex the toes back. Roll the shoulders back and bring the heart towards the toes. Beautiful. Yes. Inhale, bend in the front leg. Reach the arms up. And exhale, float right back where we were. This time maybe coming a little bit lower. Again, inhale, come forward, lift the arms up. And exhale, pour back, half splits. Yes. Inhale, come forward, lift the arms up, lift the torso up. And exhale, plant the hands on the inside of the left foot. Pick up the back knee and plant the foot down. Warrior dog. So reach the arms out to the side. So same thing doing the spinal wave here. Lift the back of the heart, inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale, waving the spine. Once more, inhale. And exhale. Yes. Walk the hands to the left. Wide leg forward fold. So turn the right toes in. Both toes are in slightly. Bend in one knee and then the other. Yes. And then just pour the head down and stay in stillness for a few breaths. And then push the ground away. Halfway lift. We're going to turn back towards the top of the mat. Plant the left hand down. Bring the back knee down. We're going to lift the right arm up and over. Exalted. Low lunge. Reach back. One more inhale. And exhale. Plant the hand. Step back. Downward facing dog. Inhale. Wave forward. Plank pose. And exhale. Bend the knees as you wave back. Twice more like this. Inhale, wave. So it's a continuous movement. Exhale back once more. Inhale, we'll come into floating cobra. Come all the way forward. Open up the heart. And downward facing dog. Beautiful. Inhale, the left leg lifts. Bend the knee, open the hip. Make some big circles here. And square the hips. Gaze towards the thumb, step forward, plant the foot, plant the hands or the back knee down. Straighten the front leg, pull the toes back with you. I like to move the foot up just slightly. Roll your shoulders back, bring your heart center forward. There's a tendency to pull the hips over to the right, so maybe check into where your hips are. We want them to be square. You can have a slight bend in this front knee. Send the sit bones up and back. So the sit bones are going up and back as the heart is going forward. So tail and the head are moving in opposite directions. We'll begin to move with breath, yeah? Inhale, bend the front knee, lift the arms up. Exhale, hold. Inhale, come forward and up. And exhale, fold. Once more. Inhale, forward and up. And exhale, warrior dog. So plant the hands, pick up the back knee and plant the foot down. The fingers reach out as far as you can and we sway the back. Inhale, lift. And exhale, fold. So waving the spine. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Wave up and wave down. Beautiful. Walk the hands over towards the right side. This time we're going to turn the toes out, sink the hips low into goddess pose. We bring the hands out to the side and we're just going to sway side to side, kind of like you're grabbing, reaching here and reaching there. So getting kind of a side body stretch as well. Yes. And then we move with the whole hands, both hands to the left, and both hands to the right. Once more to the back of the mat. And we come to the front of the mat. Turn the toes, plant the hands. This time step forward and fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold it down. Bend in the knees as you rise all the way up to stand. Arms reach at the top. And exhale, hands to heart center. Beautiful. We'll do just a couple stretches for the arms as well. We've kind of worked on the lower body. So bring the right arm across, the left arm comes in, pulling in. Inhale, give a little bit of space, and exhale, pull in. Yes. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. Now right arm comes up. Take it behind the back. Left arm comes behind. So you can either grab here or just like this. Yeah? And let's add chair pose, because why not, yeah? Separate the feet. Sink the hips low. So what this does is it helps to keep the heart up as we sink low, because we have a tendency in chair pose to want to lean forward. So with the hands behind the back, it keeps the heart open. One more inhale. And exhale, fold down. Bend the knees, rise all the way up to stand. And let's do it on the other side. Arms come up and down. This time, left arm comes in front. Pull in. Inhale, create space. And exhale, pull in. Twice more. Release the hands. Left arm comes up. Top reaches behind the back. Right arm comes behind. Maybe the hands touch, maybe they don't. And they're very possibly different on each side, and that's fine. Sink the hips low. The feet can be hips distance, or you can bring them together. Pull the belly towards the spine. Open up the heart. You can do it. Bringing a little morning heat. One more inhale. And exhale, release. Arms go wide as you fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold it down. You can go ahead and take a seat. Just take a moment, close your eyes, wiggle, do a few sway movements. Any organic movement here. And slowly find stillness. A couple rounds of breath. And we're going to come back into that gratitude. You can even add the gratitude of have woken up, greeting your body. It's a beautiful way to start the day, a beautiful way to set the stage. Having gratitude for the body, gratitude in motion. Bring the hands together, thumbs at the third eye. Let's bow forward to seal our practice and say namaste. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I hope that you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time.